everybody, here's your core bites number 55. Let's take a look and make sure you make your corrections on your paper. So for the first part, we have a chart. We have this equation, y equals 3x plus 1. So whenever you have two, like a mixture of a variable and a number, that means you're going to multiply them together. So 3 times x plus 1 will give you y. That's the rule we're using. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. And then 3 times 10 would be 30 plus 1, which is 31. So that's how you find those answers. Then the next one, we're looking at place value. So if we have 5 hundredths, how many tens would that be? That would be 50. Okay, because if you multiply, okay, so we have 5 hundredths. So that would be 500, right? And so if you do 50 times 10, 5 times 1 is 5, add your 2 zeros, and you'd have 500, just like what it says. For the next one, write 7.007 as a fraction. So you would say 7 thousandths because it's a decimal here. So you would say 7 over 1,000. And you would say it's 7 thousandths. For the next one, you have a protractor. We're measuring an angle. It is an obtuse angle because right here at the middle, that is 90 degrees, so that would be a right angle. So anything greater than that would be obtuse. Anything less than that would be acute. And then if it was 180, it would be a straight angle, okay? So if we follow it, it's more than 90. It's right here, so it's between 110 and 120. You don't want to confuse yourself with the smaller numbers because that would be if it was less than 90, but it's greater, right? Because see, here's the angle right there. So if you're looking, it's right there between 115 and 120. And so if you were counting by fives, you would have 115 degrees. And then for the last one, it says sketch a pair of lines that are not perpendicular. So perpendicular means two lines would cross like at an intersection right at 90 degrees, like a plus sign. So you want to do some that are not like that, okay? So anything that is not at a right angle like a plus sign for this one would work, okay? So please let us know if you have any questions.